Hello students, good morning. I am N. Kejha from APS. As we know that the running topic is a triumph of surgery, and according to the narrator, according to the author, the information is about Tricky, and here the character of Tricky you have already studied. The character of Mrs. Pumphrey you have already understood, and the main character of here, the speaker, who is James Herriot. He played a major role, and he played a role in the story, in this story, as a veterinary doctor. Veterinary doctor means जानवर का doctor. So here he was expressing his view to see the Tricky's condition. He was really shocked and he was really worried. And he saw in the street with his mistress and became too nervous, became so furious. And he saw he had become too fat and looking like a bloated sausage with a leg at each corner. And his eyes looks like bloodshot, and his tongue lolled from his jaws. So he was passing through very, very critical situation. On the other hand, his mistress, his owner, Mrs. Pumphrey, was a rich woman. She had a large number of servants and maids. Because she was rich, she has no any problem of wealth and rupees. So the doctor advised him to see the condition of Tricky. He had no energy, it seems that, and he is suffering from malnutrition. So I have been giving him some little extras between meals to build him. Here is I, Mrs. Pumphrey. So I am giving some malt and and cod liver, oil and ball of Horlicks at night to make a good sleep. It is nothing much really. So hearing the statement of Mrs. Pumphrey, the doctor gave her advice. You have to cut down the sweets because he seemed to be so weak. On the other hand, she wants to express her view. Tricky loves cream cake and chocolate too. So, looking that I couldn't bear to refuse him. Here that the doctor looked down again at the little dog that was in trouble. He was in trouble. Only one demerit was in Tricky. He had only one fault, and that was greed. He never been known to refuse food to see the food He wants to take that and tackle a meal at any hour of the day or night. See the circumstances and to see the greed of Tricky, I wondered. And Mrs. Pumphrey, all the things Mrs. Pumphrey hadn't mentioned, these kind of things not mentioned by Mrs. Pumphrey. And the second tips the doctor wants to give, are you giving him plenty of exercise? This was also working like a medicine for Tricky. Well, he has his little walks with me, as you can see, but Hawking the gardener has been done with lumbago, so there has been no ring throwing lately. Hawking is the name of gardener. He is not present here because due to lumbago means back pain के कारण. So इसे मैं ही घुमाती हूँ. So according to the advice of James Harriot, according to the reply of James Harriot, Mrs. Pumphrey became so worried, and the doctor gave the advice to Mrs. Pumphrey have to cut the meal and give him a very strict diet. That means limited diet. Mrs. Pumphrey wrung her hands. Oh, I will, Mrs. Harriot, I am sure you are right, but it is so difficult for me. It's very, very difficult. She set off head down along the road as if determined to put the new regime into practice immediately. So this is the main reason, this is the great problem in front of me. Okay, but on the other hand, the doctor, James Harriot, knows very well and expected call came within a few days. Mrs. Pumphrey was distraught, so sad. Tricky would eat nothing, refused even his favorite dishes, and besides, day by day, Tricky's condition was too bad, and Tricky was passing through very critical situation. He would eat nothing, refused even his favorite dish. And besides, he had bouts of vomiting. He spent all his time lying on a rug, panting, didn't want to go for walks, didn't want to do anything. I had made my plans in advance. The only way was to get Tricky out of the house for a period. This was the thought of Harriot, कि कुछ समय के लिए इसे घर से बाहर निकाल दिया जाए. That was my thought, and that had made my plans in advance. I suggested that he is hospitalized for about a fortnight to be kept under observation. The poor lady almost shone. She was sure he would pine and die if he did not see her every day. If he would pine and die if he did not see her every day. A lot of affection showed by the lady, by Pumphrey, and hearing that she became almost shunned, and she was sure he would pine and die if he didn't see her every day. Okay, but I took a firm line. Tricky was very ill, and this was the only way to save him. In fact, only that was the right way to save Tricky. I thought it best to take him without delay and, followed by Mrs. Pumphrey wailing, I marched out to the car carrying the little dog wrapped in a blanket. The entire staff was roused and maids rushed in and out, bringing his day bed, his night bed favorite cushions, toys, and rubber rings, breakfast balls, lunch balls, supper ball. Realizing that my car would never hold all that stuff, I started to drive away. As I moved off, Mrs. Pumphrey would a despairing cry threw an armful of the little goats through the window. I looked in the mirror before I turned the corner of the drive. Everybody was in tears. सभी के आंख में आंसू थे. Out on the road, I glanced down at the pathetic little animal gasping on the seat by my side. I patted the head and Tricky made a brave effort to wag his tail. Poor old lad, I said. मैंने कहा, नरेटर ने कहा, स्पीकर ने कहा, You haven't kicked in you, कि तुम्हारे अंदर अब वो ताकत नहीं है जिससे तुम किक मुझे मार सकते हो. बट आई थिंक आई नो अ क्योर फॉर यू, लेकिन मुझे पता है कि मैं तुम्हें ठीक कर दूंगा. At the surgery, the household dogs surged around me, and Tricky looked down at the noisy pack with dull eyes, and when put down, lay motionless on the carpet. The other dogs, after sniffing round him for a few seconds, and decided he was an uninteresting object and ignored him. I made up a bed for him in a warm loose box next to the one where the other dogs slept. For 2 days I kept an eye on him, giving him no food but plenty of water. And at the end of the second day he started to show some interest in his surroundings, and on the third he began to whimper when he heard the dogs in the yard. And when I opened the door, Tricky trotted out and was immediately involved by Joe, the greyhound, and his friends. After rolling him over and thoroughly inspecting him, the dogs moved off down the garden. Tricky followed them, rolling slightly with his surplus fat. Later that day, I was present at feeding time. I watched while Tristan slopped the food into the bowls, and there was the usual headlong rush followed by the sounds of high-speed eating. Here the description about the dog behaves at the time of eating, and every dog knew that if he fell behind the others, he was liable to have some competition for the last part of his meal. तो भैया मनुष्य के अंदर ये संतोष नहीं रहता है तो वो तो जानवर है, तो उसे भी पता है कि जो हम अगर इसमें पीछे रह जाएंगे तो खाना छूट जाएगी, मतलब नहीं मिलेगा. Understand? So this kind of circumstance refers for Tricky how the veterinary doctor looks after him. Okay, so very important things that is. Okay, all the while Mrs. Pumphrey hovered anxiously in the background, ringing a dozen times a day for the latest bulletins. I dodged the questions about whether his cushions were being turned regularly or his correct coat worn according to the weather, but I was able to tell her that the little fellow was out of danger and balancing rapidly. The world convincingly seemed to do something to Mrs. Pumphrey. She started to bring round fresh eggs, 2 dozens at a time, to build up Ticky's strength for a happy period for my partners, and I had 2 eggs each for breakfast. But when the bottles of wine began to arrive, the real possibilities of the situation began to dawn on the household. It was the English Tricky's blood, and lunch became a ceremonial occasion with 2 glasses of wine before and several during the meals. So this was the routine for Tricky. We could hardly believe it when the brandy came to put a final edge on Tricky's constitution. For a few nights the fine spirit was rolled around in hell and reverently drunk. They were days of deep content, and starting well with the extra egg in the morning, improved and sustained by the midday wine, and finishing luxuriously round the fire with the brandy. It was a temptation to keep Tricky on a permanent guest, but I knew Mrs. Pumphrey was suffering, and after a fortnight felt compelled to phone and tell her that the little dog had recovered and was awaiting collection. कि आपका जो लिटिल डॉग है उसमें तेज़ी से सुधार आ गया है और वो बिल्कुल ठीक है. Within minutes, about 30 feet of gleaming black metal drew up outside the surgery. The chef opened the door, and I could just make out the figure of Mrs. Pumphrey, almost lost in the interior. Her hands were tightly clasped in front of her. Her lips trembled. "Oh, Mr. Harriot, do tell me the truth. Is he really better?" "Yes, he is fine. There is no need for you get out of the car. I shall go and fetch him." मैं खुद ही वहाँ से लाता हूँ. I walked through the house into the garden. A mass of dogs was hurtling round and around the lawn and in their midst. Lawn means घर के सामने का खुला हुआ पार्क या जमीन. Earth's flapping tail waving was the little golden figure of Tricky. In 2 weeks he had been transformed into a lithe, hard, muscle animal. He was keeping up well with the pack stretching out in great bounds, his chest almost brushing the ground. मतलब उसके बनावट में काफ़ी सुधार आ गया था. कम्प्लेक्सन फिगर में फिजिकल अपीयरेंस में काफ़ी जो है सो चेंजिंग आ गई थी. आई कैरिड हिम बैक अलॉन्ग द पैसेज टू द फ्रंट ऑफ द डोर ऑफ द हाउस. द शेफ वॉज स्टिल होल्डिंग द कार डोर ओपन, एंड व्हेन ट्रिकी सॉ his mistress, he took off from my arms in a tremendous leap and sailed into Mrs. Pumphrey's lap. जैसे ही मिसेस पंफरी को ट्रिकी ने देखा, उछल करके कूद करके उसके गोद में जा बैठा. She gave a startled whoop, and then had to defend herself as he swarmed over her and licking her face and barking. और फिर जो है सो वह उसके फेस को टिकी उसके फेस को क्या करने लगा, चाटने लगा और भूखने लगा. ड्यूरिंग द एक्साइटमेंट आई हेल्प द शेफ to bring out the beds, toys, cushions, coats and balls, none of which had been used. As the car moved away, Mrs. Pumphrey leaned out of the window, tears shone in her eyes. Her lips trembled. "Oh, Mr. Harriot," she cried, "how can I ever thank you? This is a triumph of surgery." It is told by Mrs. Pumphrey, and thanked to Harriot, congratulated to Harriot, and cried, "How can I ever thank you?" मैं किस तरह से आपका धन्यवाद करूं? This is the victory. This is the triumph of surgery. Okay, thanks. In next class, you have to explain all about, talk about it. 3 questions in page number 6 and 4 questions in page number 7. So 7 questions you have to try, and you have to explain, and this is your homework, and as a homework you have to do. In next class I will discuss chapter number 2, the thief's story. Okay, thanks.